Let's take a new exercise in SolidWorks, exercise 251. Now here we have one front view, then there is a section AA. You will see this section AA you will see here. Then there is a section B from center, this one, okay. Now all dimensions are in millimeter, all unspecified corner fillets are 2 millimeter, okay. You will see here in front view, the center part 17 millimeter, this is hollow, the wall thickness 4. You will see in section view, see this is hollow and you will see this is solid. This auto hash line means this is solid part, okay. The outer body will start from this center one, 35, inner radius are 30, see 62, then there is a two steps, see here 2 millimeter gap, 42, 40, then this one R15. First we will expand this one up to 25, center one hollow, and this wall, this R15, this wall thickness 15 millimeter. We will do this. Corner fillet 7.5. Right plane sketch. Now activate circle. Now let's draw two circle. Activate line tool. Now draw half. Exit. One step undo. Trim entity, power trim, drag, okay, radius, dimension 35, 30. Choose your line. Now let me draw line. Make sure it is horizontal line. Press escape key, again press L key in your keyboard and activate the same line. Make sure, now select this line, make sure constraint horizontal, both line, okay. Now I'm going to draw one center line. Mirror entity, select these two lines. Now here choose, make sure copy mirror about this line. You will see the preview, okay. Smart dimension, now I'm going to select this dimension 62, and let's say this inner one 40, okay. Trim entity, make sure power trim, okay. Press and hold and drag, okay. Delete this, fine. We don't need this line also, okay. We have this one. Similarly do this one, and this one also, and this one, okay, fine. We have enough. Again activate line tool, exit. Mirror entity, select these two line, copy about this, okay. Smart dimension, now the top distance 42 and these 2 millimeter, okay. Trim entity, make sure power trim, see, just okay. Now what relations, now select this point, select these 2 points, make one constraint vertical, okay. Now select this point, and this one. Now again I am going to select point, look, it seems fully defined sketch. Here choose sketch fillet, radius 7.5, and I am going to select these 4 corners. Say okay. Now we have a fully constrained drawing, fine. Feature extruded boss, because I want to add material here. This is sketch based feature. Now once you activate, it will show you this isometric view. Now start, we will keep same, because same plane we are going to use for sketch. Now, direction, either choose blind, but in this case, I am going to keep mid so that material add equally both side. Put here dimension 20, depth 25. Now let's make this base flange. Thickness 10 and distance from center to here 51, and see the top view or this view. 90, 25, corner 4, R4, then there are two holes with 6.5, 76.5. Okay. So plane, first reference plane, top plane. Now here put dimension 51, flip side. Okay. Select the plane one, sketch, corner rectangle. Okay. Let me draw horizontal and center line. This is important. Okay. Now let me draw one hole here. Okay. Let's apply dimension 6.5, 90 millimeter, 25. Okay. Now mirror, make sure this mirror about this line. Okay. Center distance 76.5. Okay. Now let's drag this. Now look, there is a gap from this face to this face 15 millimeter. Okay. So distance from here to this face 15 millimeter, and select this center point and this one in one line, vertical. Okay, this is not going to accept by this. Okay, now select this center line and this line coincide. Okay, fine. Extruded boss base. Now here also I want to add material, but plane we will keep same, blind. Depth only 10 millimeter. You will see the preview. Fillet. Here fillet type constant size. Show selection tangent propagation, tangent, because the relation between two surface become tangent. Symmetric radius 4. If I am going to select one, it will show you this option. So select the first one and see it will select all corners automatically. Say OK. Hide. Okay, we forget to add this one. We will add also. Let's add this. We select this face, sketch, circle, and draw a circle from this center point. Line connect from here to here. Exit. Now select this line, right click and choose here select tangency. See, it is going to select all the line. Convert entity. Trim entity, power trim. I don't need this one. I don't need this center line also. Okay. Smart dimension. This center radius given 15 millimeter. Look, it seems fully defined. Add material, extruded boss base. See, here make thickness 4 millimeter only. But see, the direction is wrong. So just flip. Say OK. And see, the wall is created. Mirror. Now, we have to choose one reference, the center plane. So which one? Right plane. Feature to mirror. Select this one. You will see the preview. See here. Okay, let's add this diameter 15, distance 47 from this face hole we will add at the end. Then there is a one, this body R2 105, 20 millimeter from here, thickness 6 millimeter. Okay, this is at center. Then corner fillets are 2. Let's do it. Here also, here also, here also, here also, here also, here also, and this corner also. Plane. Now first I am going to choose plane, this face, 47 distance, flip. You will see here. Okay. Now select the plane to sketch, activate circle. Now just let me select mirror and flip. Now draw at circle at center, because this circle lies at center. 15. Extruded boss base. Now here I want to add material up to this circular face. So simply in direction 1 select up to next. See, it took this shape. Say okay. See, right plane sketch. Now I'm going to add material here. So let's say select from here to here, and make sure you selected at center and connect with this. Exit. Now select this one, right click, select tangency, convert entity, trim entity, power trim, delete this one. Okay, delete this one. Okay, we have one close profile. Smart dimension, 105. Now distance from here to this outer edge 20, and this one 48. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Extruded boss base. Now add material both side equally. Mid plane, depth 6 millimeter. Say okay. See. Now it's time to add fillet. Constant time fillet, radius here 2 millimeter. First I am going to select this edge. Okay. Now select this one and it will show you this option. So select the first option. See, this is going to select all corners. Then select this option. Again, this is going to show you this option. So select the first one and see, this is going to select all. Now let's select this one, this one. Okay, this is the only things we need to select. See, radius 2 millimeter symmetric, and here we go. Click plane, hide. Now let's make center hole 7 millimeter. Then there are two threaded hole. See, M6 into 1, 2. Center to center distance 50. See here, the hole depth 18, thread depth 14. So I'm going to use hole wizard. First, let's say hole, metric. Here choose drill size, and here select the size 7.7. It's not 7 point something, it's 7. Now keep end condition not blind up to next. Position, select this face and place at center. Right click, choose select and exit. See. Again hole wizard. Now this time use tabbed hole, metric, tabbed bottoming hole because I don't want to make throughout hole. Now here M6 into 1. See. Okay. Blind. Now hole depth 18 millimeter up to shoulder, not up to tip. Now this is thread. Thread depth given 14. select this one with thread callout because I want to show some cosmetic thread here. Position. Now we have to choose the face. So I'm going to select this face. Okay. Now let me press escape key to out. Smart dimension 50. Now this is lies at center, so one side you can make 25. But this is still not fully defined, so create some relation. Select this one, and this one vertical. Look, it seems fully defined. Now if you want to see the thread option, documents property, detailing, shaded cosmetic thread. See, we done. Add material, edit material, steel, plain carbon steel. See, density 78 kg per cubic meter. Just select here, apply, and you will see the close. If you want to change appearance, go to here, and I'm going to apply this polished plastic. Double click and it will going to apply. See here. Now if I'm going to choose section view, right plane, section view, normal. Okay. Look, this is what our requirement. See, all fillet and everything is mentioned. Exit. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.